Good morning, children. As last time we learned place value and face value. Last time what we learned? Place value and the face value. Okay? These two once we'll do the revision part. Then next, today what we will learn? New thing we will learn. What is the new thing we will learn today? Expanded form and the standard form. How you will write expanded form and the short form. That too I will take. Once we will do the revision part of the previous class. What we learned in the previous class? Place value and the face value. Here I will give you the number. Take one book. Every day you are writing in one book, no? Take that book. Take pencil also. I will give you the number and I will circle one digit. You write the place value of that. And see, check your answer. I also will write answer here. You check the answer. Whether you wrote correct or wrong. Okay? See. Here I am giving the one number here. The revision part we are doing. This number is 467. We will write the place value. Place value. One number I will circle. Here I am circling 4. So you must write the place value of 4. Come on, write ma. Write. Another number also I am giving. Circling 5. Okay? All wrote the answer. Now you check the answer. Already I told you how to write this one. This is 467. First place ones, tens and hundreds. 4 is circled. 4 is in hundreds place. So what is the place value of 4? That is 400. You all wrote 400 only, no? Very good. It is correct only. Now go to the next one. Here 5 is circled. So what is the place value of 5? You write and check the answer. Okay? What is the place value? Here I am not writing any places. Ones and tens. 5 is in tens place. So what is the place value of 5? That is 50. You all wrote I think. I think you all understood the place value. Already over for us. Now next is the face value. What is the face value? Place value means if it is in the ones place, you will get single number. Whichever digit is there, that you will get. If it is in the tens place, that if here 5 is there, so 50 you will get. Now here in the hundreds place 4 is there, 400 you will get. That the values you will get. If it is 400, 50, 5, 6, 7, like that values you will get. That is the place value. Face value means the same number you will get. If they circled 7, what is the face value of 7 is 7 only. Same number you will get. Already yesterday I gave you the example also. Keeping the mirror in front of you. Same thing. Here the face value of 7 is same 7. If place value of 6 is same 6. Same like that. Face value of 0 is same 0. I think you all understood place value, face value. Already we completed these two. Now, today we will learn how to write expanded form and short and standard form. Short form, you can say short form or standard form. That we will learn today. Expanded form and standard form. Standard form is nothing but that is short form. That is short form. You can say standard form or the short form. How you will write expanded form? See, example I will give you. Here rubber band is there. I had rubber band. So what I am doing here? I am stressing here like this. Expanding this one. Yes or no? The rubber band is this much only. If I did like this, what it is happening? It is expanding. What it is happening? It is expanding. Same like that. We will expand the number. Here rubber band we are doing. Now we will expand the number. That is the expanded form. I will give you one number. First one. 436. This is 436. You must write expanded form. You must expand it. How you will expand? First you must start from hundreds place. This is ones place. This is tens place. And this is hundreds place. So how you will write this one? From where you will start? From hundreds you will start. Now which digit is there in the hundreds place? 4. 4 is in hundreds place. So what you will write here? 400. 400 plus. Next digit is 3. 3 is in which place? Tens place. So how you will write 3? 30. Because 3 is in the tens place. Place values we are writing here. Now next 6. 6 is in which place? Ones place. So we will write 6. A single digit. Ones place means you will get single digit. 436, how we wrote? 400 plus 30 plus 6. Like this you must write expanded form. So here another number I will give you. 306. This also you must write like this, expanded form only. How you will write? First you must start from hundreds. Which digit is there in the hundreds place? So if you don't know, just write the place value. Ones, tens, 100. If you know, no need to write directly, you can write hundreds place. Okay? Now 3 is there in the hundreds place. So what you will write here? 300. Now 0 is there in the tens place. 0 means any value is there? No. 0 means nothing. No value at all. See here this 0 you will write here. Then you will get doubt. If 0 is there here, value is there. If separate the place value means no value. Here how you will read if 0 is there? This is 306. 306. If particular place if you are seeing 0 means no value for that. Understood? Now next place is 6. 6 is there in the ones place. So single digit 6 you will write. If 0 is there means only 10 you put. Wherever place. If it is in the tens place or if it is in the ones place, put 0 in that place. Like this you will write expanded form. Expanding means just you expand it. Write the separate place values. The hundreds place you write hundreds. If 3 is there in the hundreds place, 300. 4 is there in the tens place, 40. 5 is there in the ones place, 5. That is the expanded form. Now the next one is the standard form. Means the short form. You can write short or the standard form. Same thing. Short form or the standard form. How you will write this? They will give you in the expanded form. 740 plus 6. This is in the expanded form. You must write in the short form. You must write the number. Here 700. So 7 is in which place? So how you will write here in the short form means first starting, now this is the starting part for you. So you write the place value. Then it will be easy for you. 1, 10, 100. Okay. Now 700. So 7 is in which place? Hundreds place. 700 no. So 7 is in which place? Hundreds place. So write 7 here. Next 40. 40 means this is in the tens place. So only single digit 4 you will write. Next this is ones place. Ones how you know? Single digit ones. 6 you write here. 746. This is the short form. This is the expanded form and this is the short form. One more example I will give you. 350 and plus 0. Nothing is there in the ones place. So what you will do? If they tell you to write in the short form, first one what you must do? Write the place value. Better. Ones, tens, 100. Okay? Now start from hundreds. 300. In a hundreds place, which digit you must write? 3. Write in the hundreds place. Now 50. 52 digits means it is tens. Tens means in the tens place what you will write? 5. Now come to the ones. Ones place what is there? 0. Put 0. 350 is the short form. This is the expanded form and this is the short form. I think you all understood expanded form and the short form. Okay, ma? Now I will give you the homework. Take your book. Be ready with your pencil and book. I will give you the homework for you and I will explain also how to do. That one you do in your homework book. In June class, I will check your homework book. Okay, beta? Open it and be ready for homework. Okay, ma? I think you all understood expanded form and the short form. I gave you the homework also. Copy down in the book. Write the expanded form and here I gave you the first number 746, 848, 108 and 560. That you must write in the expanded form. If you got any doubt, once you open the video, what I explained, listen that carefully and do the homework. Numbers are changed. The same thing, only the numbers are changed. Now the second bit is write the short form. Here I gave you in the expanded form, you must write in the short form. When you are writing in the short form, what you will do? You must write the places top. What are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds. Write top. The last one I will tell you. The remaining 3 sums you only must do. Okay? The last one I will tell you. Here you write the places. Ones and tens and the hundreds. Down of that you write the number. Here 600. So 6 where you will write? In the hundreds place. So here you write 100. 6. Next 70. 72 digits means it is in the tens place. So 7 you write. Any ones place is there? Nothing. So just write 10 here. Nothing. Ones is not there here. So just write 0. I gave this answer. Remaining 3 you write and that also you do. And learn table. 2 table you learn and keep. In the Zoom class I will ask these all whatever you learn in the videos. Okay, ma? Thank you.